Hey, welcome back to Gardening NBC. I just wanted to give you an update and a little tip when it comes to planting strawberries. I know you're probably looking at this thinking you want to plant some strawberries this spring, and it is that time of year. But I want to tell you, don't go too crazy, because you see all of these right here. These ones here and a bunch of the ones in the pipes above. I didn't have to buy any of them. It's because you buy, 2 or 3 plants and then they just grow like crazy, okay? I want to show you over here. We got some plants back a few years ago and they just take off and grow insane. So you have a never-ending supply. I planted like 5 plants in this bed right here, right? And you see the runners just come all over here, so you can just have a never-ending supply of strawberry runners. Actually, it's kind of annoying. It's almost like a weed, but these all make strawberries, great strawberries. And when you want to fill some of your own planters, you just dig these up, and it's super easy. You just pull them right up. You don't have to do anything special. Pop them up, and they're pretty durable. You plant them in moist soil and they take off. So you can move them and plant them in planters, pots, whatever. Like, look at these. I just moved these over here. Had some planters, so I put some strawberries in here last year. Now look, then they start growing out of the plants. And see how they send runners? A plant there, and then a runner plant. So these all get pulled up. And then when your pipe strawberries start to get old, like some of them don't do as well, I just popped it right out and put in a brand new one. Here's one I put in this year, because some of the ones that I planted are kind of smaller strawberries, and I liked the bigger ones that we had, so I just pulled this one. Look, I just planted this in the pipe about a week ago. Look how well it's doing with these big strawberry blossoms, looking really nice. And here's some other ones. Now this one I popped out bare root, and I didn't even water. And you see it's got a little bit of damage from drying out, but they're pretty hardy. And this plant will take a hold and it'll take off in a few days. Here's some more. This one's from last year. You can see only one get about a couple, 2-3 years out of plant, and then you want to replant them, change them out with a new plant, because they start dropping in production. The second year is actually the best year, and then after that they drop off. So look, I planted, so you can alternate, leave some of the second year, and every year take out the ones that look the straggliest and then put in some new plants, because these will all make strawberries. The new ones, they'll just take a little bit longer, and the old ones, they're already blossoming and they're gonna make strawberries. You see a couple other older ones down there blossoming. So look at that. And the other secret is I have a greenhouse here, so it warms up early, and while the temperatures are still low, you move it inside the house. Inside the greenhouse, and they start making blossoms right away. These ones were sitting outside about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, and I just moved them in here, and they started growing like crazy and blossoming like crazy. And look, in 2 to 3 weeks, we'll start having berries be ready in here, while our plants outside won't even have started making blossoms for a long time, until it warms up maybe in another month. So keep that in mind. And then once these ones have finished off, because it gets too hot in the greenhouse, I just move them outside to the step, and they keep making strawberries all summer long outside. That's the tip, guys. Go get some strawberries, but don't go too crazy this spring, because trust me, after one season you'll have more than enough, and each year it's like an exponential growth of the amount of strawberries you're gonna get. So go easy the first year, don't go too crazy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share the video. Thanks as always. God bless. See you later.